So today's project is going to be the Jeep. I'm going to take the ladder rack system off the Jeep and maybe even take out the bed liner, and then after that, if I have time today, I'm going to go scan the thing with a 3D scanner and put it into a design program and start designing the new rooftop tent kitchen pull-out slide-in combo. That's a mouthful. So I got all of these bolts pulled out and or nuts off the bolts, and then but the problem is now there's a plate back behind there. I gotta wiggle the thing around and get these plates off, and then when my dad's back around, then I'm gonna take this whole thing off, and I might take the bed liner out today too. We'll see. Work in progress. Well, I got the plates off. They actually came out not too bad after everything was loose. But the problem now is I tried to lift the thing up. I could carry it, but it's so awkward that if I get it off there by myself, I'm worried I might scratch the truck. So definitely gonna wait till I got some help. In the meantime, I got my torque set out. I'm gonna go ahead and undo the bolts holding the drop-in bed liner in, so I can take that out so that I can scan and measure properly for the fabrication. Whoever put this in here, put it in there really good, but this is a T40, and it's got just a little bit of play, and my T45 was not working in there, so it's almost like it's either not a metric or it's a T40 2.5 or something. But either way, I was real gentle and got it out. I'm gonna go to the store with this and get a proper T whatever size to go with this. But when I put it back in the meantime, I'll put it in hand tight. So now I'm at a little bit of a standstill until I get some help to get this rack thing off. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna probably go inside and do some laundry. Found a couple of plastic trim pieces. Alright, well, Matt, I'm going to go ahead and take off this bad boy too, so that everything's nice and clean for that 3D scan. Go ahead and put these bad boys back in just so they plug the holes. So these ones right here, I'm only just putting them in hand tight for right now because I don't have the wrong torques. I'm gonna go to the store and get the correct torques, but I just want to have the hole plugged while I'm driving around. Well, there you have it. My Jeep is now naked, and it's going to stay that way for at least a couple weeks while I take some measurements, get the scanning done. As soon as I think I'm on the right track, and then I'll put all the other stuff back on it until I get the new thing built and installed. So in the meantime, you know the drill. Work hard, play hard, be a big softy, and drink some nice warm coffee because it's cold out here.